Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful automation we have built for a rental booking business. This was built using Google Workspace tools like Google Sheets, AppScript, Google Calendar, and even Gmail. So all these integrations were done and a final invoice or contract was sent to the customer. So this entire flow, like I said, works in Google and the Workspace. So if you have a Google account with you, you can like easily set up. So once it's set up, most of the work becomes hands off. Customer fills in a form, admin verifies the details, and after that, events also get created automatically. So by events, I mean Google Calendar event, and also client receives a formatted rental agreement. So it's like without anyone touching a thing. I'll just show you now how the whole system works step by step. All right, so this is the Google form. I'll just fill in my details. Okay, so this is the email address, digitalcraftsolutions.com. I'll just add my name over here and the address. License is optional, so I'll just add one dummy license number. I'll just select this 11th date, maybe from 11 to 13th. I'll add a dummy pickup time, phone number, and that's it, I believe. So exactly, I'll click on submit. Okay, I'll just fill in this. Okay, I believe we are good to go. Okay, so like you can see, guys, the Google form is submitted. I'll go to my inbox. Okay, so that's the confirmation email that we get from Google form. All right, now I'll just come to this Google Sheet. Okay, so this Google Sheet is basically our database right now. So like you can see, our detail has been popped up over here. So every time a new entry comes up, it will be saved here. This is the booking dashboard, and it has several additional fields on top of the Google form fields. So like vehicle, mileage, gas, rate, and lot of other fields. So I'll just quickly fill in. This is the manual process that our customer required. This was filled by your admin. I'll just quickly fill in. Create maybe 88, and let's say this is for week. Let's say the total amount paid was 500. Now once I click on approve, okay, so a calendar event will be created. I'll just quickly show you how it looks like. What was the date? Okay, most likely I think on 11th. Okay, 11th November. So yeah, like you can see, earlier it was not there, but right now, like the script added it automatically. So that's done without me having to go to Google Calendar and create a new invite. That's one thing. Um, Now let's say the approval part was done, and I'll just fulfill the entire entry. Now this was the template that we created. So based on this, the full name, like there are several placeholders: full name, driver license number, current timestamp, address, and lot of other things. Of course, there were a few complex fields as well which were mapped through this tab. Like from example, from reg number we derived the type of the vehicle and the year as well. Along with that, there were few color fields as well, but let's not get over there. I mean, it's a little complex for our understanding right now. Um, so after this, like after we clicked on approve, contract will be sent to the client. So right now it is my email address, so I'm just showing you my email box, but it will be of course sent to the client's email address, which was, I guess, in the third or fourth column, I think. Once again. Mm, yeah, from this G column. So whatever email address would have been over here, it will have sent to that email address, basically customer's email address. So this is a PDF format that was sent. So this is a contract note. Of course, along with that, we can also send invoices too. So you can see like all the placeholders, like this was the template. This is the Google document template. So all of these things were filled automatically by the script itself once the user clicked on fulfilled. And that's the full automation to be precise. With one Google form, a simple sheet, and a bit of app script, we can replace hours of manual checking, follow-ups, and document preparations. Along with that, like I said, we can also send customized invoices or any type of contacts basically. So that's it. Um, do let me know in comments how you like that. And if you are interested, just go to our website and contact us over there. Thank you.